What are essential landlord-tenant laws for property managers? Have you ever wondered what laws every property manager should know to keep things running smoothly? Understanding landlord-tenant laws is essential for anyone in property management. Let's break down the key laws that can help you operate effectively and avoid legal troubles. First up, security deposits. These laws dictate how much you can charge for a deposit and how it must be held. Most states requiring that deposits be kept in a separate account. You also need to know the timeline for returning deposits after a tenant moves out. If you don't follow these rules, you could face disputes and penalties. Next, let's talk about rent regulations. You must understand how much and how often you can increase rent. Many areas requiring you to give tenants notice before raising rent. It's also important to know the legal grounds for charging late fees if rent is not paid on time. Eviction laws are another critical area. You cannot just remove a tenant without following the legal process. This includes providing written notices and allowing time for tenants to fix issues. Always obtain a court order before evicting someone to avoid lawsuits and fines. Lease agreements are also governed by laws. Make sure your leases include clear terms about rent, duration, and maintenance responsibilities. Avoid including illegal clauses and always provide tenants with copies of signed agreements. Fair housing laws are vital to prevent discrimination. You cannot refuse to rent based on race, color, religion, sex, familial status, disability, or national origin. Apply these laws in tenant screening and advertising to ensure you treat everyone fairly. Safety and habitability laws requiring you to keep properties in good condition. This means making timely repairs and providing essential services like water and heat. If you neglect these responsibilities, you could face legal issues. Tenant privacy is another important aspect. While you have the right to enter rental units for inspections or repairs, you must give reasonable notice as required by law or lease agreements. Avoid entering without permission to respect tenant privacy. Lastly, handling tenant complaints is part of your legal obligations. Respond promptly to concerns, especially those related to safety or harassment. This can help reduce your liability risks. To stay compliant, keep up with local, state, and federal laws as they can change. Use standardized lease agreements that meet legal requirements. Document all communications with tenants and maintain clear policies for rent collection and maintenance requests. By mastering these essential landlord-tenant laws, you can ensure compliance, protect your properties, and maintain positive relationships with your tenants.